Hey, two! Hey, what the fuck happened? I will fucking kill you! I will fucking kill you!
Yeah. Yeah, it's Halloween season. You heard we in here. Finna get that Halloween going.
Nah, I fuck with this shit right here.
Finna get our Halloween season rolling in this bitch. You ain't gonna get shit.
Huh?
So you ain't getting nothing. So them dollar machines, you think that
They're designed to like make people fail.
they're
That's
designed
how you take
to
your
make fail?
That's why I say to take your money.
So
Don't think we stupid.
so what do you think happens whenever it says so and so won? Look, there's Vans. Let's go to Vans. Yeah, it says somebody had won previously. So what do you think?
I ain't never seen no one win. If you see someone, let them know. Share the secrets, but they real.
I don't know, bro. Do you think those dollar machines for the phones are rigged, bro?
Probably, yeah.
Holy shit. Looks like we have a giant fire down here or something. What is going on, bruh? Dude, what the hell caught on fire? The woods? There's some hay over there on the ground just burning on fire. FMG vlogs.
That's what she said too.
You guys recording?
Yeah.
FMG vlogs. Got 360 this bitch. I thought I was gonna do it right there. One more try. One more try. I'm gonna hurt myself.
Alright, maybe it is. This motherfucker feel weird as hell.
Can't be that hard. I mean, you're big, it's small. That's what she said.
There's like no way to be still and catch your balance on this motherfucker. I see what you're saying now. Okay, I get it.
Yeah, you know what it is. Why not?
Come on, Mark, you have to come on, bro.
Hey. Yeah, we in the ceiling.
Up a little higher too, like.
Damn.
We got the light, you see?
Yeah, we high as fuck.
Right. So we're gonna tell hey, right there.
There you go. There you go.
King of the parties right here. Imagine all these fucking people, man.
I'll get permission one night.
Hey, salute, boys.
Salute.
Salute.
Yo, this shit unreal.
Spark it up.
3 of them, 4 of them.
Any of y'all brought a lighter up here?
7.
Hold on to the railing and just chill. Wait, is this sprinklers up here? You don't see the sprinklers, right? Bro, what's up?
What you do?
What you do?
Fucked up.
What? What'd you do? Alright, I'm freaking out for no reason. My bad.
But it's good for you, though. Hold on. Let me see this is tip.
Oh shit, he's throwing shit up here. What's the red button do? Oh shit, there's a red button down there? Yo.
It's still like that.
What's this red button do?
Power.
Now we're stuck.
Not the red button.
Now we're stuck.
What is this button do? Don't start. Guys, don't start. Both of you.
Damn, it's got a horn on this shit.
Guys, please don't start.
He's pressing buttons.
Please, guys, I gotta be here.
Let me drive the boat.
Careless whisper, I can play this.
Alright, FMG vlogs today. We're out here trying some new Demon edibles, 2,000 milligrams. We got THC syrup, complimentary of me, my idea. These are all Delta 8 from the tobacco. That's why we're doing an episode on it, because it's legal. Tobacco shop shit.
See how it forms.
Yeah, we're gonna
With some real
see how this shit fucking performs. Give real reviews, I guess.
I like how you brought a Sprite to pour up like it's lean.
Well, I mean, shit.
That makes sense though. I ain't dissing.
Sprite is the best thing to me.
Wrong.
Sprite you can mix with anything, just like Coca-Cola. I don't know if you can mix syrup with Coca-Cola.
We eating these bad boys. Like when we get home, I got Pineapple Express.
I might go ahead and pour up my THC link
I was thinking about the same. Dog, you just pissed.
Yeah. Look at those edibles. How do they taste? Rate that taste.
It's not bad. I mean, it's got a little bit of a pineapple taste, but like I can definitely taste the weed. You know what I mean? I'm already at the end of my bag. I'm waiting for you to get yours out so we can cheers. Cheers to the THC lane. Cheers to the edibles.
Yeah. That THC link. Look, that pineapple shit tastes good. I had mods on my PS3 with this shit. About to play Call of Duty World at War. Zombies, that original shit.
Another one.
Gonna smoke out in this bitch.
We already are.
This shit don't have the best taste, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah, it's not. The aftertaste is really tastes like fucking blood, man. But like not like a good after blood taste.
It's not a good butt taste. It's a
like
fucking sour
took
butt
a shit
taste.
in your mouth. Like your blood took a fat dookie shit in your mouth.
It is sour and juicy.
Oh shit, nigga! I just dropped my fucking drink.
Oh shit.
Dude, thank God it didn't really spill, bro. Hell yeah.
Thank God it ain't the THC lean. Thank God it ain't the THC lean.
I already drank it, bro.
He already drank all his. He's in deep right now. I'm chasing.
2,000 milligrams deep.
You got more than that because of the lean.
Yeah, so I'm probably. It said 25 milligrams, but if it is 25 milligrams, then it's not gonna do shit. So it's gotta be more.
Come cop the merch. $15 shirts. I can make any custom design.
It's a steal.
Trying to get this shit over with. We in the trenches for real. It's like every sip, whenever you get to the bottom, just gets thicker and thicker.
I ran out of juice, bro. Oh shit.
That's a lot of time. Alright, FMG vlogs, everyone get your gun ready. We on Op Block. Strap up. Yo. Yo, strap up. Ready to blast the fuck out somebody.
Yeah, right there, nigga. Right there, nigga. Right there, nigga.
Ooh.
Man, I didn't even see them right there.
Right there.
Right here, right here.
Right here, get him.
Nah, no keeper. That's fucked up.
Yeah, that is fucked up. Oh shit, dude, he just shot something.
Fuck.
Damn.
Man, we gonna end up getting shot for real here. Hurry and shit. Goddamn.
Nah, we got y'all better pick your target. It's good.
Right there. You see them?
Oh shit! Nah, they got a kid.
Oh no, yeah, they got a kid.
Yeah, you can't spin on the kids, bro. That's our one rule. Yeah, we need to go find the birds. All right, y'all get ready. Y'all gonna wet them up.
Yeah. That nigga mad as shit, bro. I hit that nigga in the face, bro. God damn.
He looked like, what the hell?
Nah, chill.
Oh yeah, chill.
Bro, this thing look. Nah, yeah, chill.
Both dumping that shit. Oh, what the fuck? Look, this what they got me on out here in the Walgreens. If I take this shit and it makes my dick small, I'm suing. I'm suing y'all, suing the store, I'm suing creatine.
This is officially the coolest outfit I've found.
Serving sushi in there. What's up with it? Out here, Greensboro area. Just looking for an outfit to celebrate Halloween. Want to get a Jester outfit. Couldn't find no shit like that. But now we out here skating past Chinese restaurants. It's been so long since I actually just skated around and explored for fun.
All on the one, I made my sound. If I get caught on the charge, I ain't gonna snitch on.
How we done bust open the sunroof in here? This shit nice. What? A glizzy?
Hey, bro.
Bro, you be eating glizzies?
Hey, bro. Microwave this man a glizzy.
I'll take a glizz.
So you did?
That's wrong as fuck. No, hell no. That's wrong as fuck.
Nah, that's Ari. Ari the glizzy gobbler.
Ooh. Ari's the glizzy goblin. Out my life. FMG vlog. We just pulled up to this party. Finna see what's up with it. This party far from home. About to see where they want us to park.
Eddie, please don't get us beat up.
Eddie, please don't get us beat up. They ain't beating up shit. I'm gonna hop out there.
Let me get my interior.
Now, one thing I like about North Carolina weed, like this English North Carolina.
Come on, Saint. Do it something slight.
Hold on. I'll do that shit again. Hold on.
Ball!
I was hitting it. I've been hitting it the whole time.
Stack it back up.
I know, but you beat
One more hit it.
It's a little tilted, so I don't think you're gonna get the shot. But let's see it. We'll get it.
That one was close though. That was close.
Did it split? Did it split? Did it split? It split? Hold on.
Hey, put it side by side.
Nah.
Wait. My boy Zan though.
Yeah.
Long we know Zan with us, we know.
I can't hit.
What do you know about that, Zan? What you know, bro?
Who's playing beer pong? Who's good at beer pong?
I'll play.
Come here. Come take celebrity shot real quick. No, Colby, you're not fucking up this game.
You better walk in.
Yeah. It's only a fucking fire.
But you the firefighter going in it. Oh.
Do it for the kids. Oh, that shit didn't phase him at all.
Bro,
Y'all ever seen the movie The Man on Fire?
Straight through the fire.
You won't. And not in regular clothes, you won't.
No.
No,
No.
sorry. No, sorry. Don't
No.
do it. Don't do it. No, sorry.
We going too far now. Oh, he just did it.
Jake, hold this.
Oh shit.
Like that bitch. Will, hold up.
Bro, I just walked through the fire.
That bitch low key is kind of hot, ain't it, Will? I felt to go straight through the hole in my pants. I was like, damn, that's hot. Dude, I felt it in my face and arm. That's it.
What? Please, bro. Please take this shit off. You got water coming out the board. I'll go in the pond that we actually own.
We own a pond that's like right here. That one's first. Yeah, but you're gonna rest it if you go on this.
Back it up. Turn it around.
Paddle.
Oh shit, they gonna fall.
Paddle.
Hit the dog paddle.
Oh, you gotta swing to the right too. You gotta swing to the right too.
They don't got two paddles?
Hey, y'all come to this pond.
Left, right. Left, right. Hold on.
He said I can't help y'all. Oh. I ain't gonna help that dumbass either. The fuck? That's my best friend. Hey, don't fucking do it.
Alright, there we go.
They didn't plug it?
I got you. Hey, try to paddle towards that sea right there.
No. They didn't plug it? They finna sink?
Oh fuck.
They finna sink. And he said he can't swim. Dropping it in. Damn, they're going to go rescue him. They're going for the rescue.
Oh, roll, nigga, hold on.
Y'all got it?
Yeah. Okay, we got this nigga right here.
He is. Pretty rough.
Two stings.
Hi, Clay.
Bro, chill, go.
I'm in the boat.
Let me on. What you doing? What you doing?
Yeah.
Bro, back this way. Come back this way. Alright, let me on this. Ooh. Why it gotta be like
Sanders,
that?
get on the top side.
Yeah, you get on the very front.
Sheesh.
You don't want to get on there.
Yeah, I'm on the boat. We on the boat.
Around.
And we out here in the water. What? Oh, where are we going? Alright, we will. We'll be safe. Yeah, we on the way. Dude, we finna get out. Whoa, where are we going, bro?
Oh my God.
Left side.
Oh. Oh.
We here. Eddie. Come on. Come on.
Damn, he out of that.
Eddie. Wake up. We here.
Man, he's so drunk. He gonna sleep in. He's just sleeping in the car. Fuck. Hey, come on. I don't think he hear you, bro. He asleep. Look, you see his ass in there, dude. You see him in there. He's sleep as fuck, bro. No, what are you doing? What are you doing that for? That shit is not funny.
Yo, wick his ass.
Nah, just leave him. Just leave him. We'll be back. Come on. Just leave him. Bruh, quit doing that. Let him slip it off. Eddie, Eddie, Eddie. You know what time it is, Eddie. Still out here. Nice ass car. We done made it out here onto the pier. Damn, they gonna get my ass. Oh shit. Can't believe I caught that on camera. What the fuck? Oh, here they come again. They coming for us, bro. Dang. Going to the end of the field. We out here. FMG vlogs. We done went to the Trump store. Keep on trumping store. I don't know why the hell we went to the Trump store. But we out here. They wanted to go to the Trump store. Where's the Trump stuff? What the fuck? Let's go, Brandon.
This isn't fake news. America is #1 again.
This is some bullshit right here. Someone put $1 in.
Well, better than Biden and Hillary, that's all I gotta say.
Yeah, better than Biden and Hillary, I guess, but damn. This is a cult. I'm pulling for Trump, but damn, this is a cult.
Vote Joe, I mean, nah, they should
Settle down, Biden. Look, I love this shit. It's Beavis and Butthead.
Beavis and I forgot South Carolina was all big on Biden. That's a dope ass shirt. I'm not even gonna hold it.
Yeah, settle down, Biden. Shit funny.
That's just Biden. Let me see that. See that.
Hey, this
Hey,
thing.
you're fired.
You're fired.
I love doing that.
Here, this is my piece. This Papa Stopper. What is this? Is this a rubber band shooter? I'm pretty sure this shoots rubber bands for real. Pretty sure this shoots rubber bands for real.
1884. Shoot you so.
Magic trip one more time. What? What?
Now, your question is, that's what they look like, lady. Unless you like my skin. Now, when you get done using it, you'll stick it right here.
What the fuck? Where the bottle at?
Don't ever leave your bottle.
Never leave that shit nowhere.
I'd rather leave my bitch with them than in my bottle.
Bunch of fish down there wanting us to feed them. got medieval helmets. What even is that?
Is real right?
Nah, that's a BB gun. All these BB guns. Got batarangs up there. Like the bat. Batman. Found a store with designer shoes in this bitch. What are the hoes? No, cap. She really got these. I was just about to say I fuck with those. Yo, what kind of bag is that? Look at this. This bag trippy as hell. This shit tripped me out. Look, you wouldn't wear that shit right there.
I would.
You would? It's
I
not
would.
a party till your wiener comes out.
They don't know nothing about them house parties.
Let's quench. Fuck with this too. I'm from grown up. That's a restaurant, bro. I mean, yeah, they got a shop in there, but it's like mostly a restaurant. You gotta eat there to shop there. Lit to be out here. I feel like I'm recording everything. This is the biggest Dave & Buster's I have ever seen. It's fucking packed. It's a beach arcade right here. It's what they're supposed to look like. We door dashing the rest of the day or what?
I mean, yeah. You ain't got nothing else to do.
So you're here, the rest of the day is DoorDash. Here, Ocean Lakes, you know what it is. Out this bitch. I'm sure y'all already know, but I got y'all this surprise, bruh.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I got that.
Wait, you stole that bit?
Nah, I mean, yeah, that's how you used to do it. That's how I used to do it.
Wait, what is that? Don't put me in there.
Yeah.